Okay. Okay. We're starting to go now. Are we there? Well, it looks like it's starting to work now. So this is just a test run to get everything working together before we do a full launch on our other channel on Friday of this week. And that's going to be a series of lessons that we can help high school students and older work on. And it's called Grown Up Math. So if you are watching this and would like to find more information about Grown Up Math, then tune in on Friday Eastern Standard Time. I can't talk tonight, at noon. So 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And that's we're going to be starting this week just launching that channel at noon. And the first order of classes we're going to cover in a series of videos is going to be quantitative literacy, which is a college level class. But we're also going to be looking at where the beginning lessons are in the Common Core Math 1, 2, and 3, or if you're in MVP Math, the same type of lessons should be covered on that. And you can submit any questions that you might have ahead of time, and we'll cover anything that would be helpful for parents to have in helping their students who are younger if you'll submit those questions ahead of time. And I'm going to probably end up merging this channel with that one so that we can cover all adult content. And part of this is with the changes that we've had in the COPPA rulings. We want to make sure that there's no question that this channel is only for adults. This is not a children's channel. We're not going to be doing a lot of games and playtime or anything like that. But if you need help in teaching your children, we can help you with that as well. So with that being said, I know the intention of this one tonight is not really to have a lot of interaction with the viewers. It's more to help me figure out how to run this, and so that I'm a little more prepared to be able to teach from this platform. And I appreciate you bearing with me on this. I'm going to play around with this a little bit. I want to see if I can figure out how to get my whiteboard to show. So far it's not showing, so I'm going to reduce the size of my window here so you don't have to look at my mug anymore. I'll hang out down here for you. And I want to see if I can figure out how to get the whiteboard to show up. And for some reason that's not showing up. So let's see what's happening here. And I see we do have some people that are stopping by, so if you have any input you want to put in here, I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to figure this out. I don't even know if you can still see me or not. So there, hopefully that took care of that. Let me go over to the YouTube studio side and see if I can figure out what's going on here. Okay, I'm getting warnings, so bear with me here. All right, so 1092.614. I don't know why that's there. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to log off on this and mess around a little bit more offline and see what I can figure out. But Friday at noon, we're going live with the Grown Up Math channel. And if you Google Grown Up Math, you should find it. I believe this channel may be following that account. I'm not sure. But if you want to find that, and we're going to be going over, we're launching the quantitative literacy course starting after Friday. Friday at noon Eastern Standard Time, we're going to be looking at tips for Math 1, 2, and 3 for Common Core High School Math. We're going to be answering questions if anything is submitted through this channel or the Grown Up Math channel, specific questions for any type of math. And I would prefer not to focus these lessons on higher level college math, But if you're looking for how to help your child with math, if you're looking for your own education in math, then any questions that you have will start there on this Friday. And then every Friday we'll have a live tutoring session at noon Eastern Standard Time. Hey, I said it right that time. And we're going to just jump into this and go from there. So quantitative literacy is the first course that we'll be covering. We're looking at doing a series on GED lessons as well, and pre-calculus algebra, pre-calculus trigonometry, as well as tips and pointers for Math 1, 2, and 3 for Common Core or MVP Math. So I hope you'll join us if you are hanging out tonight with us, and hopefully I can get all this worked out by Friday. If not, we will go back to just a basic whiteboard on the wall and do a straight camera, because at least I know I'm getting the camera to work here. So have a good night. Thanks for jumping in. Bye-bye.